thank you for joining me on this project. This is actually part of another project. The original was just to do the chair, but I did know that I needed to do the chair frame. It needs quite a bit of TLC, so I thought I would do a separate film for it. So let's get on with it. Here you can see the extent of the leg coming forward. It's worse on this side than the other side, but it's a similar problem. Why they put 2x4s in, I don't know. On this side you can see that this is broken off and it has caused this stretcher to break off. I'm going to take that off anyway and replace it. Here, one of these has broken. It's a whole S shape. Now the arms on here pull out on both sides, so I need to fix that. And lastly is this. It is not even attached. Well, it is attached because I haven't undone the fabric on the other side because I don't want that falling to pieces any more than it already has. So I've got my work cut out for me on this little project. I actually cut this back because I didn't like the way it dug in. You can see where the original came in here. The back of this I have cleared up so that there's nothing obstructing it between there as far as I know. This is the bolt that I purchased the other day and I thought about it and I think that's going to be too big. And I marked it all out for that one. So I purchased this one, which is a little bit smaller. I think that's around about 1 inch either side. And then what I need to do is divide that in half. So I'll move that. 1.5 divided is 1 3/4. So I'm going to put a little cross at 1 3/4 on this side, a little bit further in than it was, and 1 3/4 there. If I kind of even that up like that, as close as I can. If it moves, it's not going to be a major thing. It's inconvenient rather than a problem. Put my thumb on there, I think. And I'm going to draw a line across. Now I'm going to start marking it out. I'm going to put this here. This is 5/8, which I believe is the width of there. And then I'll be able to visualize what it is I'm actually doing, and I'll put one here. Those staples are going to come flying out, I think, but I have to go through everything. I have tried pulling this up, but I couldn't get it to come up, so I'm going to do this to start off with. I'm going to take this down either side here because I kind of want to square it out slightly. Maybe I should find out how deep I need it to go there. So I'm going to put some tape around here. Make sure I go the right depth all the time because I need to use this quite a bit. So what I did was I drilled out, and then I didn't have a router or anything suitable. Drilled some holes in and then joined them until it was deep enough and wide enough. Now something I also found out was they had actually put dowels in a couple of places which had broken. I've taken all of the staples out across the here and across the back, and when I put my new piece in, it does pull forward too far. So I'm going to pack the front end slightly on both of these. So I've put glue in between, like that. I'm hoping I can slot that down and into place. This might not go so well. I hope it does. This is the first one I've ever done, so I'm really not very good at this. So I'm going to force that in because I know it fits. Maybe that dowel there has caused it to twist slightly. I'll use a hammer and see whether I can get that in. I ended up just putting one dowel in. The two were a little bit too tight. I keep pushing that down and then turning this. I'm using my tack remover to just catch it and tap it around so it keeps going around. I think I can pull it in a little bit tighter than it is and it'll be fine. I'm thinking of putting a narrow bracket or length of metal along the back here, screw it either side so that that cannot give. It's far enough down in the wood that it's actually in the frame and not in here, so it should be fine. As I'm tightening this side up, I noticed that this side of the bolt is also going round, so I've just popped a piece of card in behind there and whack that back down again, and I'm going to just carry on moving this around. Still moving there, that's a pain. Got to stop this moving so this cinches up. If it's still moving, I think what I'm going to do is put another piece in on the front side here so that also twists in. Once that's blocked, it shouldn't turn anymore. So let's do this. was taken down. This is now going back around, and this seems to have stopped moving. Let's see whether I can catch that back in there. It is a pain in the butt to do and get tight. What I want is for it to be tight enough that I can jam this in on this side. If I can wedge this one, that bolt cannot undo, and then it'll be really secure. So a couple more turns should do it, and then I should be able to do that. I just need to stop the other end turning too. I think that's wedged it. I actually have it tight enough that I can glue this one into place on this end, which will keep that bolt from moving out. I'll do that. I'm going to put plenty of glue on there so that that can be wedged in, because I just need to stop that one moving around a bit and hammer it into place. It really is a case of making sure this bolt cannot be moved anywhere. I think a couple more twists in on this end and I can do the same there. So what I managed to do was I brought this in as far as I could, put a piece of card on this side so that as I was turning here it wasn't turning this, because as it got tighter it was starting to turn this. So long as this end is going in quicker than the bolted end, you're fine. Once it was far enough in, I put a dowel in, glued it into here to wedge that. I managed to get a few more turns on this side, and I've just managed to get a dowel in on here, which will stop that bolt unwinding. So it should be a pretty solid join. At least I hope so. I can honestly say this is the first one I've done. I've just put a bracket over here like that, so it should hold it absolutely firm. I'm just really nervous about this chair, that's all it is. And I think I'll just take that little piece off. This is a piece of this wood that's just shot out, so I'll take that out. Across the top of the join, I've put this bracket. I'm really nervous about it. I'm sure that it will be fine, but I figured that would be a little bit extra security. This was the original inside of the back of the chair, and this was the original outside. I'm putting 2 layers on. I will catch that down in a minute across the top so that it doesn't move. Thank you for joining me on this project. I will say this project actually kicked my butt. Not just downhill, around the corner and back up again. It was quite an involved project, to say the least. If you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe, hit the bell button. A few thumbs up would be brilliant. And in the meantime, take care. See you later. Ciao.